Good morning. It is Wednesday, March 6th, 2024. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin. How can we not talk about Bitcoin daily, right? Since the past week or two. All right. Yesterday, we had one of the craziest candle that anyone can remember with crypto, right? You have record breaking and then the big sell off, panic. The crypto bros was out in force yesterday after lunch, screaming, yelling, encouraging people. Oh, the herd. Okay, let me go into this little mini rant. If you invest or trade solely based on what consensus is doing, you will lose money in the long run. Okay, I have been in this game long enough to know that what you want to do, or what I try to do, is anticipate what the mass will do and then try to front run the mass. That's all you can do. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. It is silly to listen to some guy on YouTube. That's including me, all right, to make your decision on when to buy or sell something. If you don't believe in technical analysis, you don't believe in TA, this is not the channel for you. And if you believe in TA, develop your own brain. Stop listening to other people. A lot of time, the way the market behaves is a self-fulfilling prophecy. If everyone is thinking and saying and spewing prior to yesterday that it's going to be a sell-off, record high, it's going to be a sell-off, well, guess what? Then likely it will happen, right? Some people front run that and sell or have sell order in at 70 or 69 or whatever number they have it. For those that follow me, I did the same. After hour, the day before on Monday, it didn't trigger. And then yesterday at the open, I said, well, what the heck? Let it run, let it break record. Shaving 5% off is not a big deal. It's not like I'm gonna miss out. If I don't get the 5%, sell order at 72K, not a big deal. It's not gonna make me a whole lot of money or save me a whole lot of money, but I anticipated the sell-off, right? I anticipated the sell-off. So I had ordered in ready to buy, right? It's a big gamble. Trading is somewhat of a gamble, right? I mean, let's go back 3 years. The last time we were here, okay, there was a nasty candle too, right? So the one thing that the crypto bro love to do and have been doing it for a long time is they go back in history. Yes, you know, you heard the saying, history tend to rhyme. History don't repeat exactly the same way, but history tend to rhyme. But also, things are somewhat different this time. Yes, you don't hear me say that often on this channel ever, okay? But what happened with crypto, the last 2 or 3 cycles are nothing like this cycle. Does that mean that this is going to go to the moon? No, but you can't anticipate the exact same thing. Oh, that's it. It hit record high. Now it's going to drop off 30%. You think big money Wall Street get into this game today to get wrecked? Oh, I'm not saying they're not going to short at a certain point. Okay, I'm not saying the big boy is not going to come in here and short it at some point, but the same people that call for Bitcoin to go to 8,000, remember? You know who they are. They couldn't wait to pound their chest yesterday to say, I'm right, told you so. Well, for those that follow me after hour yesterday or during the day, yes, I bought at 61 down to 60. Yes, I did. A lot. Okay. Now, on the grand scheme of things, was it a lot? Not really, but by my positioning in IBIT, it's a lot. I have 220 shares going into yesterday at the open. When Bitcoin dropped to 61,000 and below, I bought 150. Is it a lot? No, but by magnitude of what I have in holding, it is a lot. All right. So, and then I trim after hour when it bounced over 64. And guess what? I'm gonna trim again this morning. Take my win. You know, it's a trader. Okay. The best thing I can try to show everyone that watches this video is develop your own thesis, develop your own way of thinking. Do not be with the mass. If you are with the mass yesterday and you sell at 65, 64, 63, 62, screaming, yelling, running out the door like the end of the world is here because some guy on YouTube told you so, I hope you're not kicking yourself right now at 67. Just stop it already. Okay, YouTube, the bigger the channel on crypto, the more ridiculous it gets. So what am I doing today? Like I said, I'm gonna trim. I sold 100 shares yesterday of the 150 I bought. And will I sell the other 50 in pre-market? The answer is absolutely. I play the volatility. Now, where do I think crypto is gonna go? I do think we're gonna go to all-time high again. Okay, this cycle, in my opinion, I could be wrong. Hey, if I'm wrong, I'll be the first to come. The bottom line is I made money on the volatility. Yes, that's the goal. As a trader, you want to make money on volatility. You're not making money hodling anything, right? Get that through your head. Holding is not for traders. If you are a hodler, whatever nonsense term the crypto bros want to use, fine. Hold, buy DCA, hold, keep buying more. That's fine. I'm a trader. End of story. Okay, so Bitcoin, like I said, I will buy the dip again. I will have my stop tight at 59. If I'm wrong, so be it. But make no mistake, if Bitcoin drop below 62, I'll be buying again. Okay, I'll be buying again. I will trade the volatility. End of discussion. All right, let's move on. Next up, something that I have not talked about in a while, GDX. I keep forgetting to do it, but pretty big move here. You're talking about a 10% move. And I think there is more room to run, all right? Now, I sold cover calls where 29.5, 30, 35, 30.5. What would I do? What would I do? Assuming that GDX is not going to touch any one of those cover calls and I keep all the premium. Would I do the same exact call next Friday? The answer is no. I'm moving it up where? 30, 31, 32. It can move fast. Okay, look at how fast it can move. Okay, well, let's go back to the weekly chart, the daily chart. I mean, it can move very fast. Look, it go from 28.5, right? Look, 28.6, to 31.6. It moved literally 3 points. The zone is $3, okay, roughly $3 zone. So we are in the zone. Can we get to 31? Yes. By next Friday? Why not? Okay, I don't care what the reason is. I'm just trading it pure technically. So for me, key spot here, I expect maybe a little sideways because of the 2-day moving average. Who knows? If it hold it, that's fine. But going into next week, next Friday, if it stay below 29.5, I'm not selling cover calls below 30. Okay, it's gonna be 30, 31, 32. The 3 block of cover calls will be in that range instead of 29.5. And if the share get called away at 29.5, so be it. I will flip around and sell naked puts at 28 in case GDX drip down again. Okay, that's how I'm gonna play GDX, right? All my shares are in money, so it's in profit, not a big deal. Next up is ABT. Now I talk about ABT for a while that I no longer bearish on it once it break out of the resistance. If you buy the dip, you could have, okay? I mean, I have order in at 116, okay? And I'm writing the order at the 20 MA. So far, no luck. But I'm looking to sell, of course, put spread where 115, 110, right? 115, 112 below the 20 MA for protection. But my buy orders for the shares are at the 20 MA. In case you get there, in case of a massive correction, it can get back into what was resistant, will turn into support, which is fine. I want to buy the check back. The question is, how far can it run? Where is the spot, right? So if you go back, see this line right here where it is bouncing? It's not a random spot. It is a trend line, a channel high. Okay, look at this channel, right? So it's struggling there, but if it break out, then you're looking at 126-ish as your next destination, right? Because look, 126, there's a couple point, and then of course after that, then you're looking at 130. So if you're holding, if you long ABT, pay attention to what's going on now for the breakout. If the breakout happened, then yeah, 126 is in play, and then 130 is in play, and then after that, it's clear sky for the 52. Well, 2-year high. Okay, we've not been here since last January, so it's been a while. It's been a while. Okay, so 2 January ago. So yeah, keep that in mind. You can have 2-year high plus in a hurry if we can break the 130. So that's the play on ABT. Last for today, EW. Now I like EW a little bit more because I think there is a bigger percentage potential gain. It is at resistance, what was support, right? Let's change. You can tell that I trade EW a long time, because the longer I trade something, the busier the chart look. Let's put in the effort to clean up this mess. Okay, it's been way too long. Okay, there you go. Let's clean up this mess. It's so messy. Which one should I delete? It is so messy. Let's remove. 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 Okay. Better? I think so. But yeah, we are at key resistance, thus the struggle, right? And I'm not adding to my position, okay? But if we can break this, then we can see likely 94, 95, right? So right there alone, there's a 6% move, 7% move there, and then we can get, it's easy 10% up here, right? Until the next resistance. So there's room for the run. So for me, I like them both. I like both EW and ABT, Abbott. I have EW. I don't have any ABT outside of put spread, but for now, I do think they have room to run if they can break some resistance. And that's it for this video. Good luck trading today. With some big econ data coming out today through Friday. We have JOLTS tomorrow, the job, and then employment number Friday, I believe. So yeah, it's all kind of econ data coming. Okay, the first week of the month is pretty good as far as econ data, and then of course next week is the CPI for February, which is gonna be, I'm not even gonna bother to guess what it is because the number is so crazy last month with a big up nonsense. But who knows what they're gonna what kind of data they're gonna cook up, okay? But I am paying close attention to bonds, TLT, as well as gold. The move there is really not in sync of what I would expect as far as what the market is doing. But hey, I'm not gonna complain on the gains, okay? That's it for today.